Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with that nice FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, blind spot detection with mud flaps on the front, a nice black hood deflector, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, there's a block heater back there, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior, plenty of door space with bronze accents. You got a carpeted interior with floor mats, cup holders, and storage. 12-volt storage outlets, that bronze right there, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake lights, auto stop, auto start, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 12.1 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, Ford logo, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get my view, trip and feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You got cup holders, you even get storage underneath, more storage with outlets. You got your center console here with tons of storage. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive. Little coin slot. You got your climate controls just right here, 12 volt, and more outlets. You got the nice F-150 logo there with storage below, storage above, and we got our hill just right here. And looking at our main screen here, we do get our audio, which does have our normal AM, FM, and we do get our Bluetooth. We got our phone connections, your fave apps, messaging, email, towing, whatever you have selected there. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, such as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And, your features of the vehicle, and you get this nice little widget here where you can scroll through all the different apps you have. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA47833, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.